In a world that's often filled with commotion and noise, finding serenity can be challenging. But here at Peaceful Pathways, situated amidst the hustle and bustle of daily life, you can discover a calming retreat where tranquility reigns, providing a haven for stress reduction, relaxation, and personal exploration. Join us on enlightening journeys of mindfulness, meditation, and holistic wellness. Release stress, anxiety, and concerns by immersing yourself in guided practices specifically designed to soothe your nervous system and nourish your spirit. At Peaceful Pathways, we believe that genuine well-being originates from within. Through our carefully created meditations, grounding techniques, chakra balancing exercises, meditative and relaxing music streams, and mindful activities, you'll not only calm your nervous system, but also foster a deeper connection with yourself and the world around you. Embark on this transformative journey and tap into the power of inner peace. Subscribe to Peaceful Pathways today and take the first step towards living your best life, a life filled with mindfulness, balance, and infinite happiness.